And yeah, but this call is just completely free. So yeah, I just want to get to know like a little bit more of the community, you know, like also who you are. So you can ask me like basically anything what you want, and I can just give my best to answer as best as I can.
Right. So first of all, as I mentioned in the survey form too, like I'm more confused about what to write in the email, or I'm doing the reach out on LinkedIn. I'm not using emails. I'm just finding marketing directors of cosmetics companies. I'm more interested in doing cosmetics projects, but also like in the you must have seen my portfolio. I have most of the stuff is cosmetics and some like bottle visualization, like beer or perfume bottle or anything like that. So I'm reaching out to agencies, like creative directors of agencies, and also reaching out to marketing directors of companies who are selling cosmetics or like products. So I'm more. I always get confused about what to write in the first message, like how to introduce myself, how to be like not so much pushy that the clients expect. Okay, he's really trying to get some work here. So how does I strike a balance between all the things?
Yes. So first of all, it's very good that you're focusing on like cosmetics, because perfume is kind of for me the same as cosmetics, and your portfolio is clear what you're doing. So this is good, because a lot of other people, they just post, you know, it's like 20 different random stuff, and then it's even harder to write someone. But for you, as you are searching already for the right person, especially LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is very good. So what I can tell you, just write them and find something, research the person if they have a portfolio on Instagram or on their website, their work, and just without pushy, don't make the first message pushy, because that just turns off, but just write them something. For example, I don't know, like I saw your latest perfume product animations, and I love the lighting, I love the environment. Just give like some feedback. Don't write them like a blog article, just write them 1 or 2 sentences, which is personal. So they know that you took a little bit of time and you are not a random guy from I don't know where. And then ask them something about them. Because look, all people, they always want to talk about themselves. They want to talk about what they are doing. They just like to talk about themselves. So just ask them a question, like, I don't know, like if it's an art director, was you responsible for that and that project? Or what was your role in this kind of project? Or how long are you in this company or something? So the thing is, your first message should be that they see that you are not a weird guy, a weird spammer, which they get 5 million messages every day from. So literally
Currently my message is like, for example, hey Nikita, I'm writing to hopefully learn a bit about the projects you work on, as like his job title, creative director or marketing director. And then I'm a freelance 3D artist. I do a lot of packaging, visualization, product rendering work. Do you have any projects that you might need help with? Regards, hope you have a wonderful day. That's it. A very small message.
That's too long. That's way too long. Break it down like into 2 or 3 sentences. Look, they get 1 million messages every day, and all of them write 10 sentences like you just said me, you know, like I'm a little bit exaggerating, but just write something. Start directly with, hi, thanks for the connection. I saw your latest project XYZ. So that will already catch their eyes, you know, and okay, so this guy did at least a little bit of research. He knows that we worked on that and that project. And then just give 1 half sentence about what you like about that project, and then just the next question, something about themselves. So you really just want with your first message to get them with you in a conversation, and just have a little bit of small talk, but really be interested about them. They don't care about you, they don't care what you do, they don't care where you're from, they don't care how often you go to the toilet per day, you know. Just ask about them, like talk about them, you know. Let them just talk, Because if they just talk and they will just write with you, then later you can slowly pitch that, look, the thing is, you said, you write in your first message, oh, I'm a freelancer and all that stuff. Look, the thing is, they know, everyone who's writing them is 99% a freelancer. So A, they know it, yeah? B, if they are interested in you. So if they are interested in you, then they will click on your profile, and then hopefully they will see your profile and they will see that you're a freelance 3D artist if your profile is optimized. So you don't have to waste sentences for that.
Right. So it's a more like an indirect approach. You're not declaring that you're looking for work in the first message. You are maybe waiting for second or fifth or 10th message. Then you tell the other person like, I'm a 3D artist. Maybe we can collaborate for the project.
Don't make it 10 messages. You don't want to get friends with them in the first place. You can. I'm telling you, if you don't know how to do like LinkedIn outreach, start with what I'm told you. Later, when you have a little bit of experience, you will see and understand to who you can directly pitch. Because sometimes you get like some key points from people where you exactly know, okay, it looks like he is also on LinkedIn just for business, and I am on LinkedIn for business, he's on LinkedIn for business, so I can just write him, I saw your work, XYZ, it still has to be personal. And I just wanted to let you know, I'm a freelance 3D artist specialized in cosmetics, and have you thought about presenting your products with more than 3D product rendering, so something like that. So just my advice, try both out. The thing is, I don't know how many connects you send per day, I don't know how many messages you send, hopefully more than 10.
Around 15 to 20. I try to go above 20, but the least, like I skip on Saturday and Sunday. I do like, all the other days, and then I do about average, you can say 16 or 17.
Yes, exactly. So you can send 100 connections per week. So use them.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Yeah, it's then 20 per day, and write literally every connect that you get, and just try out. I don't know if you saw my outreach YouTube video, like 40 minutes. If not, definitely check this out. It's for email, but you can use it also for LinkedIn. And I also show the template what to write.
Yeah, and I've seen it. I watched it.
Perfect. And I'm showing also the tracking. It's super, absolutely hardcore, crazy important to track everything. Who you connected to, if they connected or not, did they engaged, had you a sales call or not. So you're just organized, and you can come back after 1 week and see to who follow up and all that stuff.
So I have one more question in that, like what you explained here. So I shouldn't say directly in the first message that I'm a freelancer. I shouldn't say. So how does it go? For example, I'm messaging you. We introduce ourselves. We are talking just like we talk. Maybe we have a conversation, had a conversation to one another on a specific topic. Then what? Then should I introduce like I'm doing 3D freelancer, or we can collaborate, or should I just let it be open, and then maybe in some time then we can, if I see an opportunity, then I can suggest we can collaborate on a project.
Yes, look, I literally can't tell you how to write, what to write, because to everyone you will write something, you will always get different responses. Some people, they really just don't care that you're a 3D freelancer. Maybe they just want to talk about themselves. Maybe someone is interested and they clicked on your LinkedIn, so maybe they write something, or you're also doing like 3D or something. So what I'm just telling, it's very important, not that you just think, oh, I'm just writing him to make money. I'm just writing him just to pitch him after 2 sentences. That will not work out. You literally have to enjoy it, to really get to know him, this person, because think long term. Because if you're just writing a message that I told you, and after 2-3 sentences you pitch, it's not real, you know. Like, and the people, they always get this kind of messages. So think about long term. Yes, I'm absolutely aware that will take much more time and much more effort and like much more energy, but think long term. You really want to connect with those people. Of course, of 100 people which you write, maybe 5 will be good and 95 will be waste of time, but those 5 will be much better quality than if you just write every connect like a robot. It can also work, I'm not telling it's not working, but start really to enjoy what you want to do. And you want to do 3D, you want to be a freelancer, you want to make money, you want to make it for the next 5 years maybe, I guess. So you have to build a network, and LinkedIn is perfect for that.
Right. Okay. That gives me a little bit more of a context on the other side, because I was doing maybe more than outreach, I was doing pitching. So I should have a more like conversation with the person that I'm connecting with.
Look, the problem with fast pitching is, again, it can work, but you need experience how. The thing is with pitching, because of my videos, because of other people who are doing this kind of videos, then also on YouTube there are 1 million LinkedIn outreach videos. The thing is, everybody does that. Exactly what the people say. And the people say always pitch and just write and copy and paste and all that stuff. But this is bullshit. You really have to honestly be interested in those people. You want to work with them. You want to get cool cosmetic product renderings job. So you have to really be interested in these people as well, you know? Get them on a sales call, just talk a little bit, because otherwise they will see you as someone, I'm not judging, like some random guy from Pakistan, you know? But they have to see you as Junaid, a cool freelancer who is interested in cosmetics renderings, and with him we want to work, you know?
Right. That's okay, because obviously if somebody is reaching out to me, I would be like judgmental of, okay, what does he want? He wants money, he wants maybe to scam me or something like that.
Exactly.
So everybody has that.
Exactly. And it's normal. You can't judge anybody for that. Because, so no, you know, that's why you have the advantage if you don't pitch, especially not in the first message.
Right.
Just really, look, it's very basic communication skills. Everyone loves to talk about themselves. You know, like, yes, I'm helping you, you know, like you're getting this, you're using this chance of the free call and stuff, like I'm interested about you, but most of the people, they don't care who I am, they don't care who you are, they don't care who this dog outside is, they just care about themselves, especially if they get 500 messages every day, you know?
Right.
And just maybe one more tip, I don't know, like I'm not on your LinkedIn right now, be active on LinkedIn. I think LinkedIn for freelancers is the perfect opportunity right now, and use LinkedIn like every day, show yourself, you know, like comment, post something, your work progress, like your screenshots and all that kind of stuff.
Right. So should I also do like personal posts, or should I only do the professional ones?
No.
What do you suggest?
No. Big mistake. I also did that. Everyone is doing this. They are using LinkedIn like a robot, just business, just value. But then you become some robot. But you are a person. You have feelings, you have struggles, you learn something works, something doesn't work. I don't know, like what your interests are, you know. You have to write this. Write like, I don't know, like 60% 3D, 20% just random thoughts, 30%, I don't know, something you learned or some advice for someone else you can give, you know? So the thing is, again, every post doesn't have to be perfect. I did the mistake, everyone is doing the mistake, they are so struggling, oh, what should I write? It should be perfect. I tell you, it's absolutely nonsense. What is important is what you will write in a time span of 1 year, right? Because if you are active for 1 year, don't look at, oh, what I write today, what I write this week, then you will burn out. But if you just write something, you are just consistent, and you just write a post about you, about what you learned, like your 3D work, and if you do this 3 times a week, and for 1 year, so 52 times 3, so 156 posts in 1 year, that will make a change, you know? That is important, not what you will write right now. No one cares that, you know?
Right. Okay.
yeah. Do you have anything else? I hope that helps, but I'm sure.
Yeah, it will help. It will help. It will take time, but yeah, I think it will help. So
Yeah,
nothing more specific, but just one thing. If you have time, our 15 minutes I think are over. But if you have time,
ask the last question.
yeah, okay. So it's more like a technical question. I've sent you the link of one of my projects. I tried to copy your template in this project, like your iPhone one, the most famous one. So I also included like the animated GIFs in it, but they are also like a little bit laggy. I don't know. So can you give me a little more a tip, like how to convert my animation into a GIF and upload it to Behance so it plays smoothly? Because if you look at it, it's also very blurry, pixelated, and doesn't play very smoothly.
What software did you use?
I think I used an online website that converted MP4 into GIF.
Okay, perfect that you ask. It's done with Photoshop. You can, you have, okay, I have to make a tutorial. It's long to describe, but check out Photoshop, how to create a GIF out of animation. It's basically, you have to upload your PNG sequence. So not the animation itself, the PNG sequence. And then you can export it as, so yeah, I'm not sure
GIF.
right now, yeah, as a GIF. And then you have like a
Yeah.
ton of different sliders and options. And then you can exactly, you also have like a preview and how it looks, how much quality you want to lose, like which color profile and all that stuff. And there's so much you have to figure out a little bit, but just check out
Right.
some Photoshop, how to convert video into a GIF or a GIF.
Right.
So
Okay.
yeah, because
I have a direction right now, now which direction to move, so I'll explore Photoshop for the GIF side.
exactly.
Right.
There are a ton of tutorials. Some work better, some work less. So just check it out a bit. I will
Thank
make.
you. Thank you.
Also, thank you. It's a very good suggestion for the next tutorial, like at some future, you know.
Sure. I'm subscribed, so I'll watch it definitely.
Exactly. But yeah, you can find it out today or tomorrow already. But yeah.
Okay. Sure. I'll search on that. Thank you.
Okay, all right. It was cool. Thank
Take
you
care.
that you used the chance. I hope you get something out from it. And yeah, see you in the community, right?
Definitely. Sure. Thank you.